So first thing I do is I do my eyebrows with this soap bar. So I have very thin eyebrows, so I need this to give me fuller eyebrows. And then I just take my finger and I just flatten it. These two from Palauzi. Just like that, and I come in and I do the tapping technique to basically make the product work better and make it a little tacky. I like to take it all the way across because sometimes I put eyeshadow up there, so I want to make sure that I have base there as well. Again, I slowly go back and forth, bringing more products and build up on it. A fluffy brush like this and just smoothen out the edges. So later on it can blend in with my foundation and it's not dry where it's so hard to like blend afterwards. Go a little bit on here too to create like a plain base where I can basically paint like. I just tap. The reason I don't blend is because the products move around and it basically just like makes it lighter. So when you're tapping on there, the tapping technique, this is gonna give you the pigmented look that you want. And again, I just go back and forth and just keep adding products. If you're a beginner and you're doing this, it's really hard to like do this because it's so slow and tedious, and I used to have no patience doing this, so I would just like blend and rub and I wouldn't get that clean look that I get now, that precision, you know. So it's just trusting the process and reminding yourself to keep doing it, because once it becomes a habit, it becomes like a muscle memory. Once the muscle memory, the rest is like history, you know. You're gonna just always keep creating like that clean pigment look that you always want, and it's always gonna be consistent throughout all your makeup creations that you basically do. Look at that, it's so nice and pigmented. So I just, the look that I'm creating today, I'm starting from like bottom up. So it's gonna be darker near my eyelashes, but lighter as I go up. So I'm just gonna take it a little bit near the eye socket and then stop right there. Now you're gonna go into like small circles as you are creating that ombre effect, because you never want to have sharp edges in your eyeshadow look, right? So I'm gonna take a tiny bit, dust it off, come in, and then kind of just go in like small circles. This was also another hard thing that I had to like get used to doing, because I used to just like blend like this. And it's like really, the pressure is like feather, like, you know, it's just like little feather pressure, like very light. Same thing, 50% outside and 50% on the eyeshadow. I'm gonna come back and repack it so we have not lost any of the colors. Now that that is done, I'm gonna take Q-tip with makeup remover and just remove these inner corners because we're gonna brighten that up. So first thing I'm gonna do before I put that glitter on is I'm gonna just kind of make it sparkly with eyeshadow glitter, and then I'm gonna put those glitter on. The trick to putting eyeshadow in this inner corner is you kind of like put it and you pull it towards the right, so it doesn't get in the corner of the nose area. That looks sick. So for the inner corner, I take a small brush, take the concealer, now I'm taking this gel eyeliner from Maybelline, which is amazing. Black is black for the under eye. Might be a little hard to put on, but let's take a look. I'm gonna just place it on and then in the middle and then go out. The outer corner, adjust it. I'm gonna take my other hand and adjust it in the inner corner. I've never tucked and done my lashes like this, so bear with me. Just gonna make hair strokes. Nothing crazy. I do that in the end so it's like blended, like an ombre kind of look, and not so boxed in.